Hey, welcome back to this small tutorial series on setting up your environment for an OpenClaw. And I want to address something here. On our last SSH tutorial, we did not enable it, so you may have a problem here. If you run this command to get your status and you get this error, you'll notice that it says that our server is disabled. That's what we're going to do right now. We're going to enable it so that we can start connecting. And we'll go ahead and we can start the service by running this command and enabling the service. You can just copy this off of my screen. Here's where you're going to want to be a little bit careful. I'm opening up my ports, but I'm in a LAN, so I have a small internal network. I am not in the cloud. If you are running this on a cloud machine, you're about to open up your ports to the entire internet, so be very careful about this. But once you do, you can go ahead and check what is currently open and available to you. You want to restart your firewall so that way your configurations take into place. And you'll want to go ahead and get your status. Another way at which you can go ahead and get your status is by using the numbered flag. And then it gives you all of your currently open ports with numbers. And the reason you would is if you want to remove a port from the firewall that's accessible. This is how you do it. You'll go ahead and do sudo ufw, delete, and then the number you want. This is very useful if you want to make sure that no default ports are open in your firewall, allowing incoming messages that you don't want sending messages to you. And it's just another way of restricting things to only what you want. It's pretty neat. And that's the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.